après que Dieu lui ait pardonné.
He said, I would like to know exactly what mistake Hazrat Adam ﷺ has committed, and after that, after he was expelled from paradise, why he was not accepted back there.
You see, the mistake he committed was he did not obey God as God had required him to obey. The nature of mistake is not mentioned. It's not mentioned in the Holy Quran, it's not mentioned in the Bible, so people keep guessing. The mistake is introduced only in terms of metaphors or spiritual terms, like he was told not to eat the fruit of a certain tree, and he ate the fruit of that certain tree. According to the Bible, it was Eve who misled him, because the Satan first, or Iblis first, influenced Eve in the form of a serpent. But the Holy Quran is straightforward about it. There is no serpent involved at all. It was Adam who committed the mistake, and Eve followed him. It's a great tribute to women folk, that the Holy Quran, and a very great tribute to the Holy Quran. It absolves you, women folk, of the time-old allegation that you had misled men. Alhamdulillah, barakallahu lakum. So, it was the other way around, right? But if I continue, there will be no time for translation. He will have to translate after you have left. So better stop it here, and later on we can explain this question. Please translate it.